This video has been created thanks to MyWorld, a consortium programme fuelling the West of England's creative technology sector, and funded by UK Research and Innovation Strength in Places Fund. This video will guide you through how to set up the Ronford-Baker tripod, spreader and Atlas 40 fluid head. The Ronford-Baker tripod comes with a 150mm bowl, locking levers and stainless steel spikes for outdoor filming. The adjustable spreader includes an elastic clip-down device and locking hand wheels to adjust the length of the spread. The Atlas 40 fluid head counterbalance system is capable of taking cameras up to 35 kilograms. It has 7 stages of fluid control on pan and tilt and comes with a 12-inch dovetail plate. To get started, undo the elastic band from the tripod legs. Pull the tripod legs out to flatten the spreader. Using your foot, turn the locking hand wheel to the left, pull the tripod leg out, which extends the spreader, and turn the locking hand wheel to the right to lock into place. For filming outdoors, you can remove the spreader by undoing the elastic bands on each of the 3 legs. Slide the spreader out and remove the rubber caps from the spikes. In order to extend the tripod legs, turn the locking lever to the left, push down and turn to the right to lock into place. Repeat with the other 2 legs. Place the Atlas 40 fluid head into the bowl on top of the tripod. To secure the fluid head, attach the tie down underneath the bowl. Level the head using the bubble and turn the tie down to the left to lock into place. Attach the Panbar to the fluid head and tighten with the wing nut lever. Slide the 12-inch dovetail plate onto the fluid head and lock into place. To tilt the head, unlock the top lever and position using the Panbar and lock if required. To pan the head, unlock the bottom lever and position using the Panbar and lock if required. To adjust the tilt resistance, turn the dial to the desired fluid level and tilt back and forth until the resistance engages. To adjust the pan resistance, turn the bottom dial to the desired fluid level and pan side to side. To adjust the counterbalance, turn the dial on the right-hand side of the head to your desired position.